Kung maaari ko siguro ikomento, is siguro kung yung Napoles cases inauwi doon, halip na absuelto, kulong, baka hindi na nangyari itong mas malaking kurakot. Those were the words of Senator Kiko Pangilinan. Sino ba ang pinatatamaan niya? Sino ba pinatatamaan mo? Di ba? It's very obvious that I was being alluded to. Remember, Mr. Senator Pangilinan, that I was acquitted by the court. Are you questioning the decision of the court acquitting this representation? You're a lawyer. I'm not. You shouldn't be talking that way. You are undermining the judicial process in our country.
The Majority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, we'd like to recognize a distinguished colleague from San Juan, Senator Jingo Estrada, to take the privilege hour.
Senator Jingo Estrada is recognized.
It is just a manifestation, Mr. President. I am not availing of the privilege hour. Mr. President, I cannot, in good conscience, let the remarks made earlier by our colleague, Senator Francis Pangilinan, during the Blue Ribbon Committee pass without rebuttal. His comments, while not naming us directly, were laced with insinuations, clearly aimed at me and former Senator Bong Revilla, and the legal ordeals I have already faced. With due respect, such statements are not only unfair, they are malicious and utterly uncalled for. Mr. President, let me put on record. Hinarap ko po ang mga kasong isinampa sa akin. Dumaan ako sa mahabang panahon ng paglilitis, pagkakakulong, at pati na ang mabigat na stigma na idinulot nito. Hindi lamang sa akin, kundi maging sa mga miyembro ng aking pamilya na taon ding nagtiis ng pangungutya, pangmamaliit, at panghusga. Sa huli, napatunayan na walang sapat na batayan ang mga ipinukol sa akin na mga akusasyon. Hindi ko kailanman nanaisin na pagdaanan ito ng sino man sa aking mga kasamahan dito ngayon. Mr. President, the courts have spoken with finality. To cast doubt on these decisions is not only an insult to me personally, but a dangerous affront to the judiciary. It undermines the very foundation of our justice system and erodes public trust in due process. Ginoong Pangulo, hindi ako tutol sa sinasagawang pagdinig ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Ngunit, hindi ko pahihintulutan na ang kasalukuyang issue ay gamitin upang idikit muli sa akin ang mga maling paratang at sadyang impluwensyahan ang opinyon ng publiko. Ang mga kasong may kinalaman sa PDAF ay naresolba na ng korte matapos ang masusing proseso ng batas. To insinuate otherwise is nothing less than an attempt to rewrite history and to malign the integrity of the judicial process. I urge my colleagues to exercise prudence, fairness, and much of all, respect. I too deserve to be heard and to defend myself, whether in this august chamber or before any court of law. I am more than ready to dismantle the baseless lies being peddled in the Blue Ribbon Committee, come hell or high water. And I will not allow discredited narratives to be weaponized for political grandstanding. I will not allow my honor, hard-earned and vindicated by the courts, to be sullied by careless remarks. And I hope the committee, the Blue Ribbon Committee, will expunge from the record such malicious and unwarranted remarks that serve no purpose but to malign and mislead. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Serrano. Majority Leader. Senator Francis Pangilinan is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Just a very quick manifestation. For the record, there was no intention of maligning any individual in the manifestation we said earlier during the committee hearing of the Blue Ribbon Committee. Wala pong personalan, gaya ng nabanggit ng butihing senador, wala po tayong pinangalanan. Humihingi tayo ng unawa. Dahil bago pa nung hearing na yon, tayo po ay humurap sa judiciary. At doon din na tinalakay at pinag-usapan ang problema ng conviction rates, particular ng Sandigan Bayan. 47% ang conviction rates ng Sandigan Bayan. Ibig sabihin, sa bawat dalawang kaso, isa absuelto. That was the context, Mr. President, of our manifestation earlier. There was no intention of maligning any senator with that manifestation. For the record, Mr. President, and again, humihingi tayo ng unawa kay Senator Jinggoy Estrada. Wala pong personalan yung ating earlier manifestation. I hope he will understand.
Thank you, Senator Francis Pangilinan.
President,
Yes,
if I
you
may-
may respond.
Ang sabi po ni Senator Pangilinan, wala ho siyang binanggit na pangalan. Pero napaka-obvious naman po ang kanyang sinabi kanina dun sa Blue Ribbon Committee. Ang sabi niya, if I may quote, well, if I may, kung maaari ko siguro ikomento, siguro kung yung Napoles cases inauwi doon, halip na absuelto, kulong. Baka hindi na nangyari itong mas malaking kurakot. Those were the words of Senator Kiko Pangilinan. Sino ba ang pinatatamaan niya? Sino ba ang pinatatamaan mo? Di ba? It's very obvious that I was being alluded to. Remember, Mr. Senator Pangilinan, that I was acquitted by the court. Are you questioning the decision of the court acquitting this representation? You're a lawyer. I'm not. You shouldn't be talking that way. You are undermining the judicial process in our country. You being a member of the bar. Thank you, Mr. President.
May I ask a minute for suspension?
Majority Leader.
May I ask, how very...
Session
may-
is suspended.
Suspended.